In today's video, I'm enough to teach you how to create a spinning wheel in PowerPoint. We're going to make this using a pie chart because a pie chart naturally creates those wheel-like sections you need. Then we'll apply a spin animation so the wheel actually rotates during your presentation. This is a simple method and it works well for classroom games, team activities, raffles, or any slide where you want a fun randomizer effect. To get started, open your PowerPoint slide and go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. This is where PowerPoint keeps all the tools for adding visual elements to your slide, including charts. From there, click Chart. This opens the chart selection window where you can choose the type of graphic you want to insert. Since we're building a spinning wheel, select Pie. A pie chart is the best choice here because each slice can represent one option on your wheel. Once pie is selected, click OK. PowerPoint will place the chart onto your slide, and at the same time, a small Excel spreadsheet will appear. This spreadsheet controls the data that shapes the pie chart. In the Excel window, make sure the values are equal. This part is very important because equal values create equal-sized slices, which makes the wheel look balanced and clean. If one value is larger than the others, that section of the wheel will also be larger. So if you want a fair spinning wheel, keep all the numbers the same. You can also use this moment to think about how many sections you want, since each row in the spreadsheet represents one slice of the wheel. After your chart looks the way you want, go back to PowerPoint and click the Animations tab. This is where you'll find all the motion effects you can apply to objects on your slide. Now, choose Spin. This animation makes the pie chart rotate, which gives you the spinning wheel effect. Once applied, you can preview it to see how it moves. If needed, you can fine-tune the animation later using PowerPoint's animation settings, but the key step here is simply applying the spin effect to the pie chart. And that's it. You've created a spinning wheel in PowerPoint using a pie chart and a spin animation. It's a quick setup, easy to customize, and a great way to make your presentation more interactive.